Hello guys, welcome back to another video on basic formulas part 2. In part 1, we have learned two major formulas which is used in most of the questions. That type of questions. Okay. And in part 1, we have also solved few extra questions where I've asked whether to solve this question or not. You guys told yes, and we will also see few more questions related to that topic. The previous topic. Okay, so that only when you apply the concept, you'll be able to understand it really well. So, hi, this is Harismita Rajkumar. So, before getting into the video, let me tell you one more thing quickly. Okay, so next video will be based on the salary or percentage of votes, etc. So, without fail, watch it completely. Only when you practice more, you will be able to crack it. Okay, so let's get into the video. So now if x percentage is more than y, then what is y percentage of x? I have already given you a formula for it. So this is the formula which I have given you, right? If what is x percentage more or less than y, okay? So that is the formula which we have already seen. So let us assume that a y, let us assume it is 100. So basically x is 60 percentage more than y. So x will be 160 percentage of y, right? So now when I solve it, it will be 160 by 100 into 100. So you'll be having 160. That is your x. Now in question, what did they ask? What is the percentage of y with respect to x? So now I already told you x is 60 percentage more than y. Otherwise, now you have to use the formula percentage will be y by x into 100. Okay, what is y percentage of x, right? So y by, I told of means it will be in the denominator in the previous video itself. So 100 by 160 into 100. So you will be getting answer as 62.5 percentage. So your answer for this is 62.5 percentage. Okay, I hope you understood it. Now let's go to the next one. So next video, let us see in an examination hall. Okay, A got 10 percentage marks less than B. So A got 10 percentage less than B. Okay, so he got 10 percentage less than B, and let me write it here itself. And what is next one? B got 25 percentage more than C, right? 25 percentage of mark more than C. Then C got 20 percentage of mark. C got 20 percentage of mark less than D. Okay, if A got 360 mark out of, so A's mark, it is 360 out of 500. The percentage of marks obtained by D is the question. Okay, now let us assume that, so whatever question they are asking, let us assume the D as 100. Okay, now so instead of 360, let us keep it as 270. I guess the question is a little wrong. Okay, now let us see. Now, so let us quickly see it. So basically, let us keep A as 100. Okay, sorry, D as 100. So D, let us assume it as 100. Now, what is C? C gets 20 percentage less than D. So basically, let us keep C will be 100 minus 20 percentage. So basically 100 minus 20 by 100 into 100. So basically you will be getting 20. So you will be getting 80. C is basically 80. Okay. Because C is 20 percentage. So basically you have to do this is your answer. Okay, this is how you have to do it really, with step. But you can just do 100 minus 20, you'll get the same answer. Now, what answer B gets? So B will be 25 percentage more than C. So what is it? So I already have C. C is 80. Then it is 25 percentage. 25 percentage more than C. So I will be having my answer as this will be 20. So it will be 100. So my B will be 100. Then what is A? Your A is 10 percentage less than B. Okay, so I'm having B. In that 10 percentage less than B, I will be getting it as 90. I hope you understood it. Okay, now if A gets, I told you, A gets 270 marks. So 90 percentage, so 90, their final answer 90 is equal to, so your 90 here is equal to 270. Okay, 270 marks only they are getting, right? So 90, I told out of this I'm getting 90, so 90 is equal to this. So this will be 1, I can cancel, so 1 is equal to 3. Okay, now what is my question? My question is the percentage of marks obtained by D. So in order to obtain percentage mark of D, simply what I'm supposed to do is I have to multiply with 3 because it is 3 times. So whatever answer we got here, right, here or here or here, it is just one part of it. But in question, they just compare it with third part, right? So since in question they told 270 marks A got, so definitely it is multiplied by 3 by the answer we have done. So D will be 3 into 100. So basically D will be 300. So D got 300 marks. So D percentage will be 300 by 500 into 100. So in that you will be getting 60 percentage. So D might have got 60 percentage is your answer. Your final answer for this question is 60 percentage. Now let's quickly go to the another question. So next one is A has 20 percentage more than money than C, and C has 20 percentage less than money than, so A is 20 percentage more than B, and C is 20 percentage less than B. What percent more than or less than money does A have than C is your question. So now let us assume that B is 100. So A will be 120, right? And C will be 80. I hope you understood it. Okay. That much money generally we will be assuming full money only. So let us assume B has 100, A will be 120 and C will be 80. Okay. Now what is A? So I have to find, okay, now I have to find the difference between A and C. So difference between A and C is 120 minus 80, which I'll be getting it as 40. Now what is the question is, I have to find what percentage money does A have more than or less than C. So basically A percentage of money A have more than C is equal to A minus C by C into 100 percentage. So this is your answer. So A minus C. So I have already spoken about this formula. So basically you will be having 40 by 80 into 100 percentage. So which you will be having it as 50 percentage. So A has 50 percentage more money than C. So that is your answer. A has 60 percentage of money more than C. So I hope all these questions are really understood for you guys. So if you want more such videos or any videos if you want, so kindly comment below. I will put those videos, and in next video we'll be seeing either salary or a percentage of words. Yeah. Yes. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.